Hey, what's up, my Gravy Flips crew? I'm back with another inspirational video trying to help you guys to get out of your houses and to figure out how you can best support your family. I changed my Zelda hat today, so it's a fresh new start. I'm at another one of my storage units that I use to store furniture that I get for free or close to it. I told you guys on my last little inspirational talk that in order to make six figures, all you have to do is find and sell $250 a day. That's every day, on your birthday, my birthday, your mom's birthday, Christmas, Easter, every day. All you have to do is sell $250 per day in profit, and you can make almost six figures. The real math is like $92,000, but I don't want to be like upsetting anybody. But I think more palatable numbers are for when you're starting out is if you're one of those people that would just, benefit from making an extra $50,000 a year, okay? And the target becomes a little bit lower. If you can sell $136 in furniture every single day, okay? $136, that'll net you $50,000 in profit, okay? Remember, that $136 per day has to be profit, okay? In my other video, I mentioned how the video game market and the collectibles market, like Pokemon cards, are just unbelievable. Video games are getting that way too. I mentioned in my other video that everybody knows the value of Mario Kart 7 on the DS. And like, it's totally true, dude. If somebody pays like 50 cents more for that, they're trashing you. There's also a lot of haters out in the video game selling market. There's a ton of competition. It is a very cutthroat market. But what I like about diversifying and getting into furniture is that there's really not many people out there doing what I do. And everything in this storage unit, this is another one. I showed you guys another one the other day, like all these dressers you can see back here, that love seat, the matching sectional. I've got two other sectionals in there, some pretty cool cupboards and stuff. All this stuff I got for free or close to it. And I can sell each one of these dressers for about $70 to $75. And if I deliver it, I can ask for more. So, $140, so $136 to make 50 grand extra in a year. That's daily, right? $140 means that you're selling two dressers at $70 a piece. And if you're looking on Craigslist and you're using the links that I have in my other videos to really snipe those items for free as soon as they're posted, or if you're running ads, or if you're letting people know that you do free furniture pickup, like, you can sell $140 a day very quickly. Every time somebody moves, they need someone to either come pick up their old stuff, they need to buy stuff when they move into a new place. I use this trailer right here in my truck, but when you're first starting out, guys, I mentioned this yesterday in my other little pep talk video, that you really only need about a RAV4 with a small utility trailer that you can get for around $600 to $700. You don't even need a truck. Most utility trailers, those black ones that you can get at Tractor Supply, that are kind of exposed to the open air, they only weigh about 600 to 800 pounds, depending on how big it is. So if you put one of those behind your SUV, you're not going to have any issue towing it down the road. Really, the world is out there, guys. I'm telling you this. I'm coming at it from a middle school teacher perspective. A lot of people in the teaching community say that us middle school teachers are the craziest, and I think we are. We're nuts. But I'm not telling you this to try to mislead you. A lot of people on YouTube are trying to sell you courses that will essentially just put you in debt. They're trying to set you up with pyramid schemes. I'm not trying to make a dime off of you. I just want you to hit like and subscribe so we can keep supporting the channel. And I want you to get out there, and I want you to leave your anxiety, leave your depression at the door, because the only way that that's going to get fixed is if you're out there and you're trying to make yourself a better person. We're going to do this step by step, guys. If you can't do $140 in profit a day, cut it in half, okay? $70 a day selling furniture locally can net you $25,000 extra dollars annually, okay? So the ball is in your court, everybody. I'm showing you these steps to get out there so that you can change your life, okay? In addition to all that, the number one cause of divorce and anxiety in the country right now is actually money problems. Could you imagine if you went home to your wife and you said, hey, sweetheart, I've got a new way for us to make some extra money so that you can stay at home with the kids and I can get out and make us some serious extra cash, you know? She won't have to work that $20 an hour job that's paying her $42,000 annually, because you'll be putting a couple hours a day in and selling $140 worth of furniture daily, you know? That's a grind, guys. It really is. But I'm going to challenge you to double that. I want to see you get to $250 per day when you're comfortable. And I know you can do it. I know you can find a way to do it, okay? If you have a Jeep, you can tow a trailer. If you have a small SUV, you can do that. You don't need to go out there and get a truck, guys. But for those of you who have a truck, oh my God, you are like set. You don't need to keep fighting. You don't need to feel depressed because the video game market is oversaturated. You can get out there and you can change your life, okay? That's what this channel is all about. From a teaching perspective, from a teacher's heart, the goal of this channel is for you to get out there and learn how to flip some stuff so that you can earn some extra cash, some extra gravy in your side hustle and change your life for the better. Thanks again, guys, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you in a couple days with some more videos. Probably later today. I'm having fun with these. So thanks for all my supporters, and I'll see you guys next time.